Good morning, kids. This is Mrs. Hales. Hey, this week we're learning about circuits. We just had our lesson on the motherboard and the circuits inside the computer. We've already made our little circuits with the copper tape and the LED lights. And now this time we're going to put our knowledge to good use, and we're going to play with the Makey Makey stem pack. This one is the full pack for the school. When I open it up, I've got the educator's guide, which you don't need to read. That's for me, but this is everything we're going to be working with. We've got our little kits in here that come with the little controller. It comes with our power cord that we're going to hook into the computer, and some little alligator clips here. These are just extras, and you're going to make a human circuit here, and we're going to be able to play games and make music on the computer using circuits today. Okay, so the next part of this is to start putting together our little Makey Makey kit. So I'm going to go into the computer. I'm just going to type in Makey Makey, and let's go with the piano app for today. So right here, makeymakey.com, clicking on that. And then if this doesn't show up, you can go up here to the option that says apps. But right here, I've got our classic piano app. I've got bongos. If I keep scrolling down, there's so many fun things in here. More music. There's a make a sketch. You can play soccer, fruit catcher. So many fun games in here. My fifth graders this last year have really enjoyed this, but just for right now, I'm going to show you how to make your circuit so that you can start playing. You can use things like Play-Doh, Play-Doh or bananas, different things that you can hook up to your alligator clips, but we're going to keep it simple today and just simply use our fingers. So this red cord is the first thing I want to start with. I'm going to plug it in to the back of my controller. The other end, right here, is going to go right into my computer. Okay, now it's connected. I'm opening up my piano app. And then on a piece of paper, using at least a 6B artist pencil, I've drawn a few pictures on here, and you can do about any picture you want, but the graphite in this pencil is what's conductive. And I'm bringing my drawing all the way down to the edge of the page just to make it easier for my alligator clips to reach. Let's come back to that in just 1 second. I'm pulling out the gray alligator clip first. This one I'm going to connect right here onto the very bottom of my board. Just like that. The other end I'm going to leave loose because this is the part that I'm going to pinch between my own fingers here in just a minute to complete the circuit. So I'm going to leave that right there for now. If you look up here on my screen, and click here to play, I have a left arrow, an up arrow, a right arrow, down arrow, and a space. And on the controller, you'll see I've got the same things, the left, up, right, down, space, and a click. So we're going to start connecting our wires. And it doesn't really matter which color goes where, but on my paper, I've only drawn 3 keys. You can do everything that's on the screen or just a couple, it doesn't matter. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm just doing the 3. So I'll connect my orange alligator clip right in here to the left arrow, and then I'm going to hook that up down here to this to my first drawing. I'm going to slide this little piece up just so it pinches it a little bit tighter. I'm going to use the next alligator clip. Oops, got 2 there. This one's going to go to the up arrow, pinch in right here, connect the other end to the next part of my drawing, and then one more alligator clip, and I will just connect it to the right arrow. And like I said, you can add the rest of the wires and do the down arrow, the space, the clicking, whatever you want to do. This is going to be your project. So now connect this end right here. Make sure that your graphite is nice and dark. Okay, a lot of times if you don't get any sound or any reaction out of this, it means that your coloring's not very good or you don't have a very good connection. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this gray alligator clip. I want to pull back that cover there so that the metal is bare, and I'm going to pinch it with my fingers. Now, I was worried about this at first, but it is completely safe. The voltage is so low that you don't even feel it. Okay, and now I'm not going to touch the mouse or the keyboard or anything. Instead, my drawing over here is going to serve as the keys. See how that worked? I'm completing the circuit, so by pinching this metal and touching this drawing, it's now playing a note on my screen. There, you get the point. The kids have had so much fun with this, and so this is what we're going to be doing this week, is just learning about circuits. We'll discuss conductors and insulators, and then we'll let you build your own project. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun.